Hey guys, this is a short, complete guide for iOS 26 Liquid Glass. If you're using an iPhone and you want to get liquid glass look on your iOS, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to check if you have iOS 26 latest version of iOS. So let's see how can you check that. You have to go to your settings. In settings, go for general settings. And from here, you have to check for about. Just tap on it and you will get your iOS version here. If you have 26.0, the latest version of iOS, so you can easily use liquid glass look on your phone. If you don't have, just go for software update, and from here you can easily update your iOS version. So now to do that, you just have to simply keep a long press on any empty place on your home screen, and from here just select the edit option in the top left corner and then select customize. And from here, if you want to get the liquid glass, you must have to select the clear option and it will be set it. Now just tap on any empty place and your liquid glass look on your iOS home screen has been set it. So in this way you can easily set liquid glass look on your iOS 26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.